थोड़े पीछे। Okay. Good evening, hello and welcome to all of you guys. Today I am just going to let you know about the life, that what is the life, and about the many kind of people. That there are many kind of people living in our India, in our society. They have some different type of life, and there are some different kind of people. So, but our life, the life system is not going according to their life kind of life, their life system. The life will remain going to. Like, I'm just going to let you know about the life, that what is the life. Life the tragedy for those who believe in thinking, means the life is will be tragedy for those who only believe in thinking, means they don't want to do anything, they are just thinking. And the person who want to doing and who believe in doing, the life will become a comedy. So the life is comedy for those who believe in doing. Be happy and have so many friends. You should be happy. If you are happy, so many friends will attract you and they will do a friendship with you. And you have so many friends. Become gloomy and lose all with them. You don't need to become gloomy and disappointed. That would mean become gloomy and lose all of them. If you are a gloomy, if you are a disappointed person, they all will turn remain vehicles. You will lose all the friends. They would like to get full measure of your pleasure, but they need not to have your own displeasure. They want to full enjoyment of your life, but they don't want the disappointment of your life. But they don't need to take life goal. That would be the man of mine, because nobody likes the life goal of your life. Nobody want any type of goal of your life. So that would be man of mine. As a matter of fact, this is the life. Now, apart from it, I'm just going to let you know value of time. That life is the value of time. Time and time wait for none. Time is very precious in our life. It is most important and most valuable thing in the world. Our success and failure in the life which happen with us is depend upon the time. That the good use of time. If a person used to make a good use of time, his life will become a success. But if he don't want to make a good use of time, so his life becomes failure and he become a failure person in his life. So I think all of we should make a good use of time. Like, because I want to give you an example of a student. A student who make a good use of time, he have no problem in passing in examination. But a person who don't make a good use of time, he have many problems, and it is very difficult, or you can say like as impossible for them just to pass in examination. In spite of this, that he is a clever boy. So I just want to let you know about the time, that one time and tide wait for none. If it will go, it has been go, that it won't be come back again. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a person who just failed in his grade. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a person who is waiting for his payday. To realize the value of 1 week, ask a person who is the editor of the weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 day, ask a person who is going to be married. To realize the value of 1 minute, 1 hour, ask a person who is waiting for his beloved at the airport. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has missed his train at the railway station. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who just nearly escaped from an accident. To realize the value of 1 milli, ask a person who has missed his gold medal in Olympics. Apart from that, I will just give you some slogan. I will just narrate some slogan or something like, if you want to be an extraordinary, just be ordinary. Good teacher don't teach by book, they teach by heart. If your intention is right, everything is right. But if your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Our goal might be out of our sight. Our goal might be out of our reach. Our goal might be out of our grip. But it must not out of our mind. Then we can achieve it. Okay. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. Nothing is impossible in the world. As the word itself says, I am possible. Okay, apart from this, I just want to discuss a topic, the Delhi gang rape scandal, which happened in 1612. You can say it's 1612 gang rape scandal. The accused of that scandal were executed. The court ordered them just to hang on, just to death penalty. So I think it's very happiness day for all the people, because they did a lot of protest for justice. Okay, without spend your time and without spend myself time, I just want to call Asha ji, because she want to discuss something about it with me. Asha ji, please come on the stage. Please put your hands together. Okay, I want to also call Miss Jyoti. Please Jyoti. कहा था ना मैंने कवाड़ा मत करो. Please come here. Please come here. कहा था कवाड़ा मत करो.
Good evening, my name is Jyoti. Hi.
अभी रुको मैं बोल रहा. Okay, she is Jyoti. She is a new student and she is Asha. I think you know her. Okay, please. Okay, I just want to discuss a case of gang rape scandal which happened in 2012. You know what it? Okay, am I right here? Okay, the four accused of that case were gave the death penalty by the court. Okay, so what do you want to say about it? Means, what is your perception regarding this? Yes, please. Yes. Hello.
What?
One question, just you can't get my question. I am saying the four accused of that scandal were arrested and the Supreme Court gave them a punishment, the death penalty. So what do you think about that case and about the order of Supreme Court?
I don't know something.
Yes? Yes, what you said?
I want to say
Yes.
because I don't know.
No, you know, that was very high-fi scandal, you can say, because on that time many people, all the India, out of India, like in the foreign country, many people did a protest for this, and they did candle march, this type of. Asaram Bapu also gave the statement. So I don't think so that you don't know. We also discussed it many times. So please. Please. कुछ भी बोलो. Okay. You don't know? Why you don't know?
I am speaking and slogan and exercise.
No, but you know about the case, so you should speak about it also.
I don't know.
You know, you shared earlier on this recording, and as well as we also discussed it many times.
Yes, but I don't know anything.
We discussed it many times in our classes. Now you said you don't know. Please say something.
Asaram, yes.
You can go now. अभी बुलाऊंगा तुम. Miss Jyoti, please. Okay, you know about the case?
No.
No. You are telling a lie? Isn't?
No.
Yes.
This is slogan, please. मुझे English नहीं आती.
Okay, please. You can go also now. Shani, please. You can go. Shani, I want to call you. Just come on the stage. Please. पकड़ो. Good evening, Shani.
Good evening.
Okay. You know about the case? Okay. So what do you think about it? That what is your perception regarding that Supreme Court gave them this penalty? So now what do you want to say about it? What is your perception?
Government given the
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court given that penalty is right, I think, and protest. I think protesters
Protesters.
thinks that death penalty.
So, what do you mean that they are very happy with this order of Supreme Court?
Yes, actually.
But what about the fifth, that Ram Singh? He executed his own self in the jail, in the Tihar jail. Am I right here? So, but they can't give him. But apart from that, the minor accused, he gave the 3 years jail. He is just arrested for 3 years. After 3 years, he will come out of the jail. So, what do you think about that?
This is very bad, and Ram Singh died on himself.
Yes. Okay, you can go now. Okay, my speech is over. Now I just want to call Miss Asha ji. Please come on the stage. Please. She will do some slogan and some tenses, active passive voice, and she will narrate a topic about anything. You can say about any topic. Okay, please.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Our goal might be out of our sight. Our goal might be out of our reach. Our goal might be out of our deep. But it must not be out of our mind. Then we can achieve it. Good teacher don't teach by books. They teach by heart. If attention is every bright. If your attention is every right, every right is thing. If your attention is every wrong, every right is wrong. Sentence and expressive voice. Mohan tells a lie. Mohan doesn't tell a lie. Does Mohan tell a lie? Why does Mohan tell a lie? Why doesn't Mohan tell a lie? Mohan is telling a lie. Mohan isn't telling a lie. Is Mohan telling a lie? Why is Mohan telling a lie? Why isn't Mohan telling a lie? Mohan has told a lie. Mohan hasn't told a lie. Has Mohan told a lie? Why has Mohan told a lie? Why hasn't Mohan told a lie? Mohan has been telling a lie since morning. Mohan hasn't been telling a lie since morning. Has Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Why has Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Mohan told a lie. Mohan didn't tell a lie. Did Mohan tell a lie? Why did Mohan tell a lie? Why didn't Mohan tell a lie? Mohan was telling a lie. Mohan wasn't telling a lie. Was Mohan telling a lie? Why was Mohan telling a lie? Why wasn't Mohan telling a lie? Mohan had told a lie. Mohan hadn't told a lie. Had Mohan told a lie? Why had Mohan told a lie? Why hadn't Mohan told a lie? Mohan had been telling a lie since morning. Mohan hadn't been telling a lie since morning. Had Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Why had Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Mohan will tell a lie. Mohan won't tell a lie. Will Mohan tell a lie? Why will Mohan tell a lie? Why won't Mohan tell a lie? Mohan will be telling a lie. Mohan won't be telling a lie. Will Mohan be telling a lie? Why will Mohan be telling a lie? Why won't Mohan be telling a lie? Mohan will have told a lie. Mohan won't have told a lie. Will Mohan have told a lie? Why will Mohan have told a lie? Why won't Mohan have told a lie? Mohan will have been telling a lie since morning. Mohan won't have been telling a lie since morning. Will Mohan have been telling a lie since morning? Why will Mohan have been telling a lie since morning? Why won't Mohan have been telling a lie since morning? Second active voice. Ravi tells a lie told by Ravi. Ravi doesn't tell a lie isn't told by Ravi. Does Ravi tell a lie? Is a lie told by Ravi? Why does Ravi tell a lie? Why is a lie told by Ravi? Why isn't Ravi tell a lie? Why isn't a lie told by Ravi? Ravi is telling a lie. A lie is being told by Ravi. Ravi isn't telling a lie. A lie isn't being told by Ravi. Is Ravi telling a lie? Is a lie being told by Ravi? Why is Ravi telling a lie? Why is a lie being told by Ravi? Why isn't Ravi telling a lie? Why isn't a lie being told by Ravi? Ravi has told a lie. A lie has been told by Ravi. Ravi hasn't told a lie. A lie hasn't been told by Ravi. Has Ravi told a lie? Has a lie been told by Ravi? Why has Ravi told a lie? Why has a lie been told by Ravi? Why hasn't Ravi told a lie? Why hasn't a lie been told by Ravi? Ravi told a lie. Ravi told a lie. A lie was told by Ravi. Ravi told a lie. A lie was told by Ravi. Ravi didn't tell a lie. A lie wasn't told by Ravi. Was Ravi tell a lie? Oh. Why didn't Ravi tell a lie? Why wasn't a lie told by Ravi? Ravi had told a lie. A lie had been told by Ravi. Ravi hadn't told a lie. A lie hadn't told by Ravi. Had Ravi told a lie? Had a lie been told by Ravi? Why had Ravi told a lie? Why hadn't a lie been told by Ravi? Ravi will be telling a lie. Ravi won't have been. Ravi will be telling a lie. A lie will have told by Ravi. Ravi won't be telling a lie. A lie won't have told by Ravi. Will Ravi be telling a lie? Will a lie be told by Ravi? Why will Ravi telling a lie? Why will a lie be told by Ravi? Why won't Ravi telling a lie? Why won't a lie be told by Ravi? Ravi will have told a lie. A lie will have been told by Ravi. Since morning. Ravi won't have told a lie. A lie won't have been told by Ravi since morning. Will Ravi have told a lie? Will a lie have been told by Ravi? Since morning. Why will Ravi have told a lie? Why will a lie been told by Ravi since morning? Why won't Ravi told a lie? Why won't Ravi have told a lie? Why won't a lie have been told by Ravi since morning?
Now she will let you know about the life. That what is the life? Please, start. What is the life?
Life is the tragedy. Life is tragedy for those who believe in things. No, I am speaking at in time.
You start.
To left the valley of 1 year, ask a person who felt angry. To left the valley of 1 month, 1 month, ask a person who is waiting for his payday. To left the valley of meaning, ask a person who is the editor of weekly newspaper. To less the value of one day, ask a person going to go to.
He is married.
Going to marry. To less the value of one of ask a person who is waiting for his belief at the airport. To less the value of one minute. Ask a person who is missed the train. To less the value of 1 second. Ask a person who has
Repeat करो, repeat.
to less the value of 1 minute. To less the value of 1 second. Ask a person who has narrow escaped from an accident. To less the value of 1 minute. Ask a person who has missed Olympics.
Gold medal.
To less the value only gold medal only. Gold medal gold medal gold medal
In Olympic. So
thank you.
So be easy, be busy, but not be fussy. Okay, thank you. You can go now. Go now.
Yes.
Okay, Shivani. Please come on the stage. Please. She will narrate some slogan. Please, Shivani, come on.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
I am narrating some slogans. First, what is the life? Life is a tragedy for those who believe in thinking. Life is a comedy for those who believe in being. Be happy and have so many friends. Become gloomy and lose all of them. If I have a sense of comedy, they will find you. If I have a sense of tragedy, they will turn to my back. They would like to get full measure of a pleasure, but they need not to hear have one displeasure. There is none who would decline your nutted wine, but none of them who would like to take life goals of mine. As a matter of fact, this is the life. And second, winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. And third, if your intention is right, everything is right. If your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. And fourth, good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. And fifth, our goal might be out of our sight, our goal might be out of our reach, our goal might be out of our grip, but it out of our grip, but it can be achieved. And speaking English fluently and be competitive globally. And then what is the value of the time? Okay, and value of the time. We must realize the value of the time, because time once has gone, after won't come back again. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a person who failed a grade. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a person who is waiting for his payday. To realize the value of 1 week, ask a person who is editor of the weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 day, ask a person who is going to be married. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask a person who is going to be beloved at the airport. To realize the value of 1 milli, to realize the value of 1 second, the value of 1 minute, ask a person who is waiting for his beloved. To realize the value of 1 milli, ask a person to realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who narrow escape in accident. To realize the value of 1 minute, who is waiting gold medal in Olympic. So be easy, be busy, but not be busy. Thank you.
Okay, now the turn of Miss Jyoti. Miss Jyoti, please come on the stage. We are out of time.
Good evening, friends. My name is Jyoti. I have spoken. Good teacher don't teach by books, but teach by hearts. Hard work today, happiness tomorrow. Speak happiness and peace which you meet. Educational for the people is provided by the people. Speak in English fluently and be competitive globally. Thank you.
Okay, our topic is and our performance is finished. But now in the last, I want to call Miss Asha. Asha ji, please. Asha ji, please.